What is up, everybody? It is like 10 o'clock at night and I'm just now working on the Ruckus. I was gonna say screw it and just get everything done besides filming, but hey bro, I need to film so I can put some content on the table for the fam out there, you feel me? But as of right now, I just got the top bearing in and the bottom bearing in. Now I'm just gonna attach the triple tree and start the process of putting on the front wheel and everything like that. The majority of this video is just gonna be me filming me doing things and less talking because I wanna get some stuff done. Got a bunch of crap on my chest. I just feel like working on the bike, so that's what we gonna do. Oh, and the bike might be done this weekend. Today is Friday, so it might be somewhat decent to like turn on by Monday because Christina's broken. The throttle body took a crap, so. But shout out to my man Neo from Neo Garage coming through. Had a skunk throttle body in stock. Picked that up. Should be here Monday. And right now, this month, use code ZOSH5 to save 5% on all your Skunk 2 products over at neogarageonline.com. So, yeah. Is now to install the front shocks, the basically the front wheel and the hub and everything else. So here's everything I have to install, and remember all of this stuff came from the Ruck Shop, and I'll leave a link down to every part used in this episode of the Ruckus build. So now we're gonna start with attaching the hub to the wheel and then the shocks. I went ahead and started installing stuff, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I did. So the reason why I forgot to film is because I'm watching the Ruck Shop video on how to do everything, and basically this is what I did. I mean, I just took the 4 screws out of it. I mean, hey man, I don't want to take everything. Just damn it. I'm gonna just film from here on out. I'm sorry, y'all. Well, the bike is looking like a bike, kind of. I just gotta start doing the harness and stuff like that, putting in the fuel tank and all that other good jazz. But I did receive a package from the Ruck Shop, which is my new radiator. Don't break me. My mom broke my last radiator. You shot a coolant hole out the something, and I got my new.
Be on me. And the boy rode it right behind me, but I did it.
You done broke my radiator.
I ain't broke nothing.
Lucky I got a new one in.
No,
And I got a new dipstick, and I got me a cool key tag. You done broke.
And I told your behind not to put me on that damn thing. You so damn.
No, people loved you on that. It was hilarious. You got so much fans. So now I'm gonna start the process of attaching the front end harness of the bike. Okay, so I'm done filming for the day, and this is what I got done so far. Wee yo, we is looking good. So I got most of the harness on. I just gotta fix the back end stuff, put coolant hoses, run all the coolant lines and stuff in the back. For the front, I gotta tighten this up. I got a bunch of cut wires. I have no idea why they're cut, so gotta go through that, fix all this crap up. But and then from there, I just gotta do the hand controls and all that fun jazz, and battery brackets, and then fuel, and then seat stuff. So in 2 more Ruckus videos, I should either have a startup or the bike completely running. So yeah. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's Ruckus video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, could you please do the following? That like button for you, well, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and as I said in the beginning of the video, all the parts used for today's Ruckus video will all be linked down below. Huge thank you to the Ruck Shop for making this video possible by supplying every part needed to make this build be swag-tastic. Also, huge thank you to Ryan for guiding me through this way. If you want to check out his Ruckus build, just nasty. It's just so nasty. Link down below to his channel, and that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.